So, what are the consequences of leaving a hospital against medical advice, or AMA? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. And today's topic is when you leave the hospital, AMA or against medical advice. So here's the situation. Suppose you have a patient who's being treated in the hospital and they decide that they no longer are in agreement with the treatment plan. This patient and the doctor don't see eye to eye. Maybe the doctor is refusing treatment that the patient wants. Maybe the doctor is not open-minded about different treatment options. That could be one. It could be that there's just a personality conflict, that the patient no longer feels comfortable with the doctor's personality or the nurse's personality or how they're being treated. Either way, they make a decision that they are going to leave the hospital, even though the doctors and the nurses tell them that it would be a bad idea, or may even tell them that it would be dangerous to their health and safety. But yet the patient makes a decision to leave anyway. So what are the consequences? Well, let me first start by saying any patient has a right to leave a hospital. It's not jail. You can leave anytime you want. And if you feel that your health or your safety is in danger, you have to take care of yourself. You should never take any actions because you think it's going to help or hurt a potential medical malpractice lawsuit case. So that's very important for me to say. However, my job in these videos is to provide you with information about medical malpractice lawsuits. So if a patient does leave the hospital against medical advice, it most certainly will be in the chart. And if this patient decides to bring a medical malpractice lawsuit in the future, absolutely for sure, one of the defenses is going to be, well, it's nobody's fault because the patient didn't listen and left against medical advice. And that's what we call in the law a defense. And that defense will be raised against the patient who leaves against medical advice. So there are consequences in a medical malpractice lawsuit for leaving AMA. Again, that doesn't mean that if you feel that your health and safety is in danger, that you shouldn't make that decision, because you shouldn't make a decision about whether to leave or not leave because you think it's going to help or hurt a case, as I said before. But there are consequences. So I hope this video was helpful. If you could please hit that subscribe button so that you could take advantage of all of my videos. And I'm going to leave my contact information below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again.